A national 7-year program to restore and protect mangroves is slated to get underway within a few months as the state moves to slow the loss of the wetlands. Details of the plans were discussed as Jamaica celebrated World Wetlands Day on Monday. Krista Campbell has our story.
Just like fish sanctuaries, which are designated sections of the sea where fishing is not allowed, 8,000 hectares of mangrove forests are to be declared protected areas. The Forestry Department, in partnership with the National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA) and other state agencies, are working to prevent already badly degraded mangroves from further loss. The mangroves are important habitats for young fish, crabs, oysters, crocodiles, birds, and other animals, and they help reduce flooding by blocking some of the wave energy from weather systems. But across the island, they've been dying from solid waste pollution, being cut down to make coal and to accommodate developments.
So it could be a road, it could be someone's small house, it could be a farm, but if you create some sort of blockage, that will automatically lead to degradation of the site. Solid waste is also a huge impact because wherever you have mounted solid waste, you're going to have limited recruitment. The mangroves can't settle, they can't grow new.
Project manager Denise Henry says the Mangroves Plus initiative will now see the Forestry Department working alongside NEPA to approve and monitor developments that may impact mangroves.
Like a mechanism has been set up where development orders and local sustainable development plans are also sent to the Forestry Department for our weigh-in to give recommendations as to ways that we can have these developments happen, but in a sustainable way. So for instance, it's not that we're saying don't build the road, but we're saying build the road and make sure that you put drainage and culverts in to keep the flow going.
During the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025, mangrove forests also took a battering. Jamaica Mangroves Plus project aims to restore 2,000 hectares of the wetlands that are under threat.
We're not just talking about planting mangroves, but we're looking at restoring the hydrology of areas that had mangroves that have been degraded because of something impacting the way the water flows in and out of those mangroves. So for instance, Parity, the road had impacted the way the water flows in and out of these mangroves. And so this is one of the initial sites we were looking at that we want to restore the hydrology to allow water flow better to feed these mangroves.
The mangroves here in Parity are part of the 8 sites chosen for special protection under the National Restoration Program. However, because of the extensive damage from Hurricane Melissa, new sites might have to be selected and additional assessments done. The other targeted sites are in Manchonil, Portland, Port Royal in Kingston, Helshus in Catherine, Rock, Trelawney, and Greenwood in St. James. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
And coming up later in this newscast, the U.S. President says America should move on from the Epstein case. We'll be right back.